Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clickable web page link to your Power BI dashboard. If you've ever wanted to give your dashboard viewers instant access to a website, maybe your company homepage, a product page, or a resource for extra details, this is the perfect trick for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly link out to any website, making your dashboards even more interactive and useful. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Power BI and head into the dashboard you're working on. If you're just starting out, make sure you're in the editing mode so you can make changes. Now look for a button you want to use as your link. This could be a button you've already inserted. Maybe it says Learn More or Visit. You can quickly add a new one from the Insert menu if you need to. The great thing about using buttons is that they're super versatile and they stand out as clear calls to action, rather than just blending in with the rest of your visuals. Once you've got your button where you want it, click to select it. Over on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Format Button pane pop-up. That's your toolbox for customizing how the button behaves. Here's a little tip. If you don't see this pane, make sure your button is actually selected because the options show up contextually. Now, let's make your button interactive. Under the Format Button section, look for the Actions option. Click it to expand, and here's the key part. You'll need to enable it. Just toggle the switch from off to on. This step is crucial because it tells Power BI, yep, I want this button to actually do something when folks click on it. If you skip this, your button will just look nice, but it won't function as a link. Next, in the Actions settings, you'll see a drop-down labeled Type. Give that a click, and from the options, choose Web URL. This basically means when someone clicks on your button, Power BI will direct them straight to whatever web address you provide. It works with any valid link, whether it's an internal company site, a public web page, or even a specific app URL. Go ahead and paste your desired web link into the field provided. Double-check it to make sure you didn't miss a letter or accidentally leave a space, because the last thing you want is a broken link. If you're linking to something sensitive or private, make sure your viewers have the proper access. They'll get an error if they don't. Now, before you finish up, it's a great idea to test it out. Power BI dashboard buttons need a little trick to activate links. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click your button. That Control plus click combination lets you preview what your viewers are going to experience, so you can be confident everything's working perfectly. This part might take just a few moments. Don't worry if you need to try it once or twice. And that's it. With just a handful of steps, your dashboard now has a powerful, interactive link built right in. Viewers can jump from your Power BI report directly to any web page you want. It's a simple feature, but it really helps make your dashboard smarter and more connected with the resources your audience needs. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward tutorials to make your data projects shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.